Most businesses don't need another chatbot tab. They need outcomes. They need workflows that actually execute. That's why I create Clawne. Clawne gives you managed agents called clones that can connect to your business systems and work through channels your team already uses, like WhatsApp. Hi, my name is Adrian from Rebelion. Let's stop talking here and let me show you how it works. Let's start from zero. First, create your Clawne account. In seconds, you have a workspace ready to launch your first clone. I am creating this solution with human fears in mind. No Docker setup, no orchestration headaches, no infrastructure barriers. Don't worry about the technical details. Now that we are here in the dashboard, let's create our first clone. I'm going to create a content creator. I'm going to call this content O. This is going to be a happy content creator. We can change the template, but in this case, I'm going to keep this the same as it is by default. Let me make a small pause here. Enabling tools is the important piece for your clone to connect to your business systems. Here is where we are going to define what are the tools that we want the clone use to connect to your back office systems. In another video, I will show you how to create tools easily to connect to your clones. Now you need to define how your clone is going to execute the task that you assign to. For now, I'm going to keep it on demand. Every time that we send a message to our clone, it's going to start an activity. The free tier of Clawne uses standard models. I'm going to keep the standard. Here is where Clawne becomes operational. We bind the user's WhatsApp number to this clone. Once connected, the user can interact naturally with WhatsApp without switching apps. This dramatically lowers friction and increases real-world usage. For businesses in Mexico, for example, where work already happens in WhatsApp, this is a major adoption advantage. That's it. Now the assistant is live. The user simply messages the clone in WhatsApp like messaging a teammate. The clone responds with a structured, useful output and can interact quickly through follow-ups. No portal hopping, no prompt copy-pasting across tools. This is the shift from chat to operational intelligence. This same pattern scales across teams. For small and medium businesses, you get automation without building complex infrastructure. For enterprises, you get governed assistants that can connect to back office systems, execute workflows, and support auditable operations. For enterprise, I am building My Clawster. See this as the on-premise version of managed agents that can connect to internal systems and data. Clawne is the cloud-hosted version leveraging My Clawster, dogfooding the same agent orchestration capabilities in a user-friendly way. Create your account in Clawne. Launch your first clone from templates like Content Creator, bind your WhatsApp number, and start interacting instantly from WhatsApp. That's it. No heavy infrastructure setup, no complex orchestration work. Clawne helps teams move from chatbot experiments to operational AI workflows. What do you think? Give us your feedback and go Rebels!